Welcome back. Today we're going to attempt those RGB lights. I have had two previous attempts at trying to get these up on the wall, and both times they've failed dismally. They both ended up on the floor within 12 or 24 hours. So today we're going to take a slightly different approach. I'm going to use two different glues. I'm going to start with this one to hold it up for the long term. And this is the one I used for the plug under the desk. You can see the previous video. And it's worked very well. And to hold it for the first 12 hours, I'm going to use the hot glue gun again. That'll just keep it on the wall for the first 12 hours, giving this glue a good chance to get its work done. Okay, so the plan is to use some hot glue over here and use the other glue in the middle to hold it on the wall, and hopefully this will be the solution I've been looking for. And there again, I'm going to leave a little spot there to put some of the glue gun on there. And so on and so forth, and I'll keep doing that, and eventually hopefully go around the whole room, and I won't have to do it again. I'm in the man cave, the original man cave. That would be the garage, and just getting ready to edit the video of the LEDs today, which are still on the wall, by the way, and we've been having a lot of fun with these videos. I hope it's helping people out there. I know it'll take a bit of time before we get some views and some reaction on them. I've been looking around, and there's a lot more I can do on the videos. I need to have a bit more of a slicker intro. I need to come up with a better name than just my own personal name for the channel. There's a few things. I mean, now it's just been mostly a few DIY things that I've done around the house, but now I have a couple of other interests that I'm quite passionate about. I've got myself a Mavic drone, which I enjoy, which got me to learn a bit about DaVinci Resolve, which is the program I use to edit these videos. Go fishing. There's a South African term called papgooi, which in English means throw porridge, which is what you do. It's just the way you do it. It's not specimen fishing. I also do a bit of fly fishing. I haven't done it for a long time. Also enjoy that. Winter's coming up, although with Corona around, unless they're in the bathtub, I'm not going to be catching anything. So I'd like to incorporate all of these into the channel. I also enjoy Excel, work a lot on Excel. So if you have any suggestions or things I can do, a name for my channel, please put it in the comments. Let's see what I can do. I need to do something. I need a little bit of an intro, maybe a bit of a logo, and a bit of a mission. So with COVID also ramping up, or coronavirus or China flu or whatever it's called at the moment, there's lots of speculation about that. I've had a lot of time to do these videos, but obviously I've got to get back to my full-time job when these things are over. And I work pretty long hours, so getting these videos in is going to be a bit difficult. So I'd like to get a few videos in. The editing does take a bit of time. I've also been getting very interested in another part of drones, which is FPV, first person view. I've been consuming some serious content from the likes of Joshua Bardwell, Nurk, oh my god, Ledrib, Rotor Riot, Vanover, and it's something I would really like to do. But it's incredibly expensive, especially now after the rand dollar has gone pear during the coronavirus. It'll be a while before I can do that. I have got myself a simulator which I am playing. I might put a video up of some of the sims. It'll be a short one, just what I'm doing on the sims and how I'm going. If you've got any suggestions for a name of this channel, if you've got any suggestions about a logo, please put it in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. Stay at home, stay safe. See you soon.